Well, this weekend, a special event will focus on veterans and future service members. Retired Lieutenant Colonel Greg Shuey is here to tell us all about Weekend Warriors. And welcome and thanks for being here.
Thank you very much.
And also thank you for your service.
Oh, thank you.
You know, this is special to me because I am an Air Force brat. My dad was in the military, and you know, he was a lifer. He served like 26 years in the military.
Right.
And so tell me about your history and your family history of people serving in the military.
Well, I had actually four dads. My real dad died when I was 5. He was in the Navy. And my 3 stepdads, who my mom outlived, all were World War II veterans. So.
And what about your kids?
I have, of my 6, in my blended family, we have 4 that are in the military, 6 tours in the Middle East.
Wow.
So they're all dedicated.
It somehow runs in the blood in your family.
Absolutely.
And so that's what this weekend event is about. Tell me what it's called and what it's about.
It's called Weekend with Warriors, and the purpose is twofold. One is to honor our World War II vets and all the veterans that are serving and have served in the military. The other is to bring kids out, especially those in junior and senior high school, and expose them to career opportunities, not just in the military, but in aviation and other industries, and the educational opportunities that they need to address to get to those careers.
Yeah, how to get prepared to be in a position to get those wonderful, luscious careers. And so this is important because we're talking about their future, and these are some jobs they may not know about unless you guys are there to tell them.
Well, exactly. And one thing we're doing, we have what's called the Warrior Exhibits. These are West Point, Annapolis, and Air Force Academy grads, and they're setting up displays. They've got their bios, and if you look at the things that they do, you wonder how they can pack all of that in a 20 or 25-year career.
Now, where is this happening? Because I'm sure people are going to want to get their kids there and be exposed to this.
It's at New Century Airport in Olathe, which is the old Olathe Naval Air Station, and it's in what's called the Commemorative Air Force hangar, and the museum is open. We'll have vintage airplanes, pilots, and kids will be able to fly for free.
You know what? It's a pretty cool airport because I've been there and I've actually seen it, and it's really amazing to see that museum. That alone is wonderful. So the kids are going to be flying. What's going on? Are you serious?
We have 8 airplanes under the Young Eagles program put on by the Experimental Aircraft Association, and they're going to be flying kids on a rotating basis, and kids will actually be able to fly the airplanes with experienced pilots.
Wow, if that's not enough to be exciting, I'm telling you what, they're going to catch the bug of being in the military or being in aviation services. Thank you so much for coming. This is so exciting. What were you going to tell me?
I was going to say, 41 News has to get some good weather for Saturday morning.
Oh, we do need some good weather. Let's find out if we're going to get it. Thanks so much for coming and for being here, and I wish you a great event this weekend.
Very good. Thank you.